All right, welcome back, everybody, to another big old stream. I'm joined today by Mr. Hayes.
Yo, 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 yo.
And if you are new to these streams, what we do here, we do a little review of the price action on NQ. Then we dive into some crypto, and we also review some stocks. I think starting this week, we're going to do a little reformatting of the streams. We'll add a little bit of just a small little education talk. All right? I think that'll be valuable. Just a quick little 5-minute tip of how we trade the markets or things to look for. Maybe some
gems.
Yeah, just quick little gems. We can chop into some stuff. So let's get into this previous week's price action first of all. Just do a little trade review. It's our little due diligence on the market. So last week we made new all-time highs. Right, we have contract rolling over on Tuesday, so just watch out for that. And we also have FOMC on Wednesday. My possibility for this week, I like this LRLR, and I also like this previous week high. Maybe they do one of these numbers on the week, just an open high, low close. But obviously that depends on Powell and numbers. This is just me being goofy, silly, funny, just based on price action. But they can also just keep on fucking ripping this fucking thing into oblivion based on maybe if we took this right here, this manipulation. Which manipulation leg? Probably this one, right? Like if we took this right here and let me stream for Mr. Hayes.
See it.
Yeah. It's a general question. Like this manipulation leg right here. Right?
Yeah.
And then we do one of these. Fee standard deviation. Hit that -1. That's -618 up top right there. 2125. So we have quite a few good numbers to the top. But I feel like we can also do this, and that might give us a little bit of a better lineup if we did this. Because then these numbers are coming into that OTE. That -1 was lining up pretty much with these liquidities. So that might be a little bit of a more of an accurate representment right there for the numbers. So this is what I would watch out for to the upside on this, just as a little heads up. But on that, let's take a look at what we had this past week in terms of trades that we took. So we start off on Monday. Every trade we document and we share with our community. I do a little write-up every day of what we saw on the day and why the price played out the way it did. So right here on Monday, we saw a little bit of a consolidation during the London session, the Asian session, after a nice rip up. The weekly open right there, right? Weekly opened up right here somewhere. We saw a little manipulation below it, and then from there saw a continuation to the upside. This 2618 level was important. Price came down to it, retested it, and then we bounced out of it, right? You can see this VIX indicator going off. That's our good bounce indicator right there. Then right here at open, we come down right at 9:30. Bounce on this order block. That gives us an open, low, high, close 15-minute. Right? We continue to the upside. Don't quite reach this liquidity right there. And during the macro, we see a nice reversal. Sweep of this high with no displacement. And then nice little drop to the downside. So that was Monday. Tuesday, if I can show it. Tuesday, played out. We outlined this little guy right there. So Tuesday we saw that Asia consolidation, London manipulation. So New York is likely going to see the reversal stage of this. So right there we had our fair value gap. Price reached in, swept this liquidity. Not quite any displacement of this fair value gap. Kept on holding this candle. And nice continuation to the downside. Sweep of these liquidities from that Sunday. Sweep with no displacement. Then we draw an OTE leg of this leg to the upside that had the displacement right there. We have a fair value gap. Price keeps holding the OTE and the fair value gap. So see nice rise back to the top out of that. There's quite a few good setups this week. And not that much news. We only had news Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So those 2 days were just kind of, price as is. And then this is when we got into that manipulation. This over here, we had that nice upside run on the news candle. News candle, this candle could not displace the body of this candle, and we'll talk about that probably. We'll talk about it this week of what we look for right there, how the price respects this candle. We've talked about it in the past, but we'll talk about it again. Let me get rid of this all fast. update the latest version. And this indicator, it's absolutely fucking cracked. You can see it indicates every fucking sell and every buy zone for you guys. And it's by crack, CRAK_trading. But I'll show you guys without it so that you can get your eyes adjusted to it. Right here, right, we dropped this OTE leg. Well, initially we swept this 5-minute close before we opened at 925. Sweep of that, no displacement above it, told us, okay, we don't want to continue to the upside as that body still held below. In this fair value gap, we didn't see quite a good bounce out of it. So nice continuation to the downside to sweep that previous, not previous, but the data low. Sweep of data low, we see a nice little bounce right into the OTE of that range that we've previously created and a rejection of that 786 and back to the downside. That was Wednesday. Thursday, we outlined these liquidities right there as important ones. We'll see this one right here, sweep. Not quite any displacement to the downside, but here we had news again. News dropped us down, sweeping all of these liquidities. So we kind of going into the day, we were saying there is a possibility for this being an S&D day. So I forgot what fucking S&D.
Search and destroy.
Yeah, search and destroy. So it's where price sweeps the top, moves to the bottom, sweeps the bottom, moves to the top. But this is a more likely scenario that happens on Wednesdays. I don't think there's like a few cases where it happened on Thursdays. But this day you can see we had that during our London session. New York session didn't quite play out that way. We were going for it over here. So at 9:30 we opened up, swept the top, swept this liquidity, no displacement above it. So it gave us an open high, low close 15-minute. This retraced into the OTE, top of this tiny little fair value gap right there, and top of this inverse fair value gap, and a reversal back to the upside. So there was a long and a short setup on Thursday. And then Friday, that was pretty good too. Friday, initial sweep of this liquidity, very similar to what we had on this day, right? We had didn't have initial news. The news came at 8. But going into the open, very similar sweep of this upside liquidity into London, as London had the same thing of sweeping both sides of Asia. So there was another possibility for a seek and destroy day. Sweep of that top, then we come down, sweep these bottom liquidities, no displacement below those. And we see the VIX fix lighting up, and a nice reversal back to the upside. So we went over the price action for this previous week. We've gone over what we can possibly see going into this week. Previous week high and the Sunday opener can be important levels. If we displace above this Sunday or previous weekly high and stay above it, then we're going to see a continuation to the upside. If we displace above it, sweep it, and then come back down through it, this is now going to be our resistance again. So we're going to be playing this level this week, I think. A lot of it's going to come down to this price action right there. And we'll see how this contract roll goes as well. All right. Let's get into some crypto.
Right away, there's SMT on ETH, BTC. ETH didn't sweep previous day low. Bitcoin did. So if they want to continue from here,
Yep,
they can go off of that.
Let's see. Pith. I like this. I like that we didn't have a big reaction to the downside. So we have a possibility of setting up a nice rising 3 over here. This candle going to the upside, and Bitcoin, obviously, if it swept that previous day, yeah.
Dude,
I like
DNA
that.
looks so good too, minus the daily open.
I need to look at this girl. Oh,
look at the
yeah.
4 hour.
It looks like it wants to fucking crank.
Yeah, it just wants to rip through that shit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I like it.
Yeah,
Especially
I like
with
it
that
too.
sweep right there. 12 hour looks phenomenal too. The retest of the CISD level.
Yep.
This does look good. And a lot of those weeklies, they closed a little whack, but some of them closed honestly pretty decent. Let's take a... Let's see what we have. Oh, wrong one. Low from perp pairs. Let's see by percent change. High fee still fucking wanting to do something. Rejecting that previous day equal right now. Plume. I'm in... No, I'm not in Plume. I'm in Ripple. RPL. And RLC.
HNT looks pretty good off this 4 hour FVG. I feel like this is... You always send me ones that look like this.
Which one?
HNT. The 4 hour.
Yeah.
out of that FVG.
Out of this one, yeah, right there. But that and holding that previous day equal too. So I like that. HNT ENA portal, possible Alta ATH CRO. I like Crow. I would just wanted to sweep that previous weekly low
Yep.
and tap
retest
this
that
right
high.
there. Yeah. And then we would see a nice rising 3 on it. I think that's
Ooh.
the fucking setup.
Ooh, I found a nice one. FLM.
Oh, Flamingo? Yeah, dude.
Yeah, no, peep this
Dude,
4-hour and
dude,
daily
yeah.
right now.
I've been looking at this one. And it's holding this fucking fair value gap right there, too.
Yeah.
Weekly,
daily.
daily.
Swept previous day low. The 4-hour looks really nice.
Yeah, I like this one. This one also fucking goes, dude.
I like this one.
I've been in it before.
Yep. And then the only other one I saw that I like is ELA. I don't know if it's on Blowfin.
I'm gonna check that out.
Check. But yeah, I like this FLM. Looks really, really good.
Yeah, I like Flamingo. Flamingo. Next stream, if Flamingo goes, I'll wear my Flamingo fucking swim trunks.
Okay. I like that.
Flamingo goes, at least 100% on a day, I'll wear my Flamingo fucking trunks. What was that other one?
ELA?
ELA. It's not.
No, okay.
Let's see.
Of course.
Let's see. Vine was another. Nero E. Nero looks decent. Deep. Yeah, XBT doesn't look bad on that. Oh, this is 4-hour. Let me look at dailies.
The banger playlist.
Let's see this alpha. Ooh, alpha. I just don't like whenever they open up these weeklies like that. Always fucking screams
Gun shy.
trouble. Yeah. It's like every fucking time without doubt. They want to fucking just crank them to the downside a lot of times, or if it opens up like that. Seen it one too many times.
Yep.
HNT, yeah, it doesn't look bad.
FLM's probably the best bet
Mhm.
right here. It's even in the daily discount if you measure the whole range.
Yeah, Bet Sushi. I mean, some of them are still holding the 200. That's my only thing. Like, APT doesn't look bad. We're talking about bad. Like, this weekly, it closed strong, right? But we're still in this fucking... We're still building out these triangles on them. A lot of them. Like, it's a triangle within a triangle. Now, like, we have this right there. So it's very... We're in this very fucking interesting spot right now.
Yep. And yeah, it's even like with FLM, like how we talked about. When we tap into discount like this, if it's not an immediate reaction, they can wedge this out so hard. Even on the 4-hour.
Ooh, ICP.
Insane Clown Posse.
Insane what?
Insane Clown Posse.
Uh-huh. I like this. The weekly or the daily is iffy below that 200, but I like the tap of this. Discount and the sweep of the previous weekly low. This one doesn't look terrible. It's just these displacement candles.
Yeah.
It's like, it's rough with those.
Yeah.
Trading and trying to make sense of those. Especially on like these moves that they do. I mean, but volume-wise, we saw less volume than we did yesterday. So it's like decreasing volume with decreasing price. It's a little bit of a divergence.
Gun.
Maybe.
It's holding the 200.
Oh,
4 hour doesn't
yeah.
look bad. 1 hour looks kind of nice.
Weekly also doesn't look bad. It got an FEG. IFEG.
And then hype. Hype swept previous day low.
Dude, gun went insane from when I like fucking told you about it.
Yep. Hype could do falling 3 or rising 3.
Yeah. Yeah, weekly on gun looks, or weekly on hype looks good. That monthly just hitting up only. That's insanity.
Yep, hype doesn't look bad either.
Mm-hmm.
Just
On-
kind of a weird spot.
On pith.
Pith.
I think I'm still holding some pith.
Yeah, that looks
I am
good.
holding some pith. Pith does look good still. I would love Pith to continue to the upside. Ape doesn't look bad with that 200 retest.
Yeah, they just gotta hold these previous day low sweeps.
Mhm.
VVV doesn't look that bad.
Oh yeah, I was looking at that one earlier. Triple V looks good.
And then
LG.
Rose.
Rose
actually looks really good.
What about STX?
Yeah, I like Rose. So we draw this trend line. Well, I'll wait till you put it up.
Yeah.
So on the daily, draw that trend line.
This one.
Yep. So we broke and we're holding on top. We held that daily FVG yesterday and we're holding above previous day equal.
Yeah, this looks like a rising 3. This looks like a case of uppies.
This one looks really. I like how the body closed above the FVG yesterday and above the trend line. This looks really nice.
And I like this opening because this body is the open of this candle is holding the close of that other one.
Might be my
I
favorite.
do like Rose.
Yeah, this could see a nice case of the uppies.
A solid case of uppies. I like that.
Yep.
Yeah, stop below that previous day low would be possibly the safest bet if you're looking to play safe. And then some uppies. Yeah, STX doesn't look bad. STX. I'm also trying to type out this is something. It's just of the.
Yeah, I'm getting in some rows. I like this a lot.
STX. See if I can keep on scrolling.
And I like the displacement on the hourly on rows. If you peep it, it looks really nice.
Sol still does look like I want to go. IOTA. Also IoT. I don't like these double lows over here, but in terms of date, like monthlies, some of these monthlies still look decent enough. And the hold of the 200 is like, okay, we might want to do something. Kava CRV, previous day low sweep. Jasmine, previous day low sweep. Super Anime Axel.
Yeah.
Here we go. Alpha.
Rose.
Alpha could do something stupid. Let me see that hourly. Let's pull out our old trusted confluence meter. And we're above the confluence from crack.
On Rose?
Uh-huh. On the hourly.
I like this one. The hourly just looks really, really good.
Yeah, and on the daily.
I could just envision a stick on this daily.
I can see it. It's like right up to these liquidities right there.
How does weekly look?
Weekly looks good. That's what I was saying. Like this close.
Yeah.
This close is holding the open of that candle right now. So as long as we remain above that, I think we can see a solid continuation. Plus that this daily setting up for a rising 3. So I'm liking that. Where were we?
Monthly looks good too.
Here we go.
Yeah, I like that one a lot.
Ergo doesn't look terrible. Previous day low sweep looks good. That's what I would want to see for a continuation. As long as we, like with these previous day low sweeps, this is, I guess, there's a tip for y'all. Previous day low sweeps, and this is something that Hayes taught me from FX4, this indicator that we're using. It's a previous day low, or just FX4, by 2 degrees, right?
What?
The FX4 indicator, yeah.
Yep.
By 2 degrees. So if we sweep a previous day low or a previous day high, the way that you see an outside candle is by seeing if it displaces or goes above or below this previous day equal, right? So if we set up the high and we're dropping below the previous day equal and we're starting to displace through it, we're more likely to see the previous day low and see an outside day, or a similar thing to the upside, right? Previous day low sweep, displace through this previous day high, we're more than likely to see that previous day or previous day equal displace through that, more than likely to see that previous day high. And that's also a similar thing. I always like to play those outside hours, especially on NQs, with a sweep, a strong sweep, and then looking like a lower time frame where we're dropping. it's a great setup. So something to check out and worth studying, I think, for everyone.
Eat 1,000 rats.
I think they took that one off.
Okay, then peep GMT.
Or rats. Oh wait, no, is it? Here we go. Oh wait, no, never mind. 1,000 rats is still on.
200 retest previous day low sweep.
Let's see if I can stay above over here and get an outside day. Sorry, I'm posting it. Here we go. Sorry, which one?
GMT.
GMT. I think I remember looking at this one too. Yeah. This one also looks like it needs a case of uppies. Just like some of these monthlies, that's the only concerning thing is like how that previous monthly was inside. So that's the only thing I would be looking out for on a lot of those, or on a few of those names.
ERX.
VRX.
TRX. Tron.
TRX. Vine also.
Vine looks okay, yeah.
Retest of this fair value gap. And then let me get this in here. TRX.
TRX daily looks crazy.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, dude, I was looking at this one the other night and I was like, oh, this drop, like with that sweep. Just didn't trust that candle opening up like that. God, this looks like it wants something.
Yep. ARPA looks really good. All
the
these previous
monthly.
Yep, I know.
On
Go outside.
TRX, what the fuck? Oh, it can easily. Look at this tab. It can go through this. It can go to that high.
It will too. It's a crazy one.
Yeah, I like that.
World swept previous day low.
Ooh,
AVAX. AVAX doesn't look too bad off. Never mind. I wouldn't. Yeah. Dot looks okay. 4 hour. Previous day low sweep would have been better, but.
On TRX. On dot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
IOTA looks really good.
Yeah, I was talking about that one.
Previous day low sweep out of this trot. Yeah, this looks fucking fire. I like IOTA.
Alright, continuation of yeah, let me show you IOTA again. With that 200 right there too. This one looks good. Like weekly, still pretty decent. Monthly, that's like the thing with this monthly. I would love to see this above this previous day equal, considering this monthly was inside. Love to see at least a sweep of that previous monthly high on it. What's the last one posted? Vine. Keep scrolling. AGI. Previous day low sweep. Vet. Vet doesn't look bad. Also 200 retest.
Vet.
This one's consolidating. It's like when you this up like this, or it held that right there, this fair value gap. Vet. Well, we're slowly like consolidating at this between the 618 and the 50% of this range. You know?
Yep.
It's like typically consolidation follows an expansion.
Oh god, BNB is about to fucking run again.
BMT.
BNB.
Oh, BNB.
Yeah, a lot of these look like the same thing. It's like a trend line breakout retest. Like Dusk looks really good too off this previous day low sweep.
Yeah, a lot of like
that looks the same way.
Fucking similar.
Looks so good.
Yeah. But it's just like, what do they want to do into this fucking weekly? It's the only question that we're stuck asking ourselves here. It's like, realistically, where do they want to draw this shit? A house party.
God, I still like DYDX a lot.
Didks. Mm-hmm.
This giant
Yeah,
inverse head and
all of
shoulder.
this fucking shit. Yeah.
Yep.
QNT 2. QNT top of the CISD. Pretty much free tested this whole range and has a bunch of shit to the upside. Like, I like this retest right there of that CISD. And the way this weekly closed, dude, like, that looks like it wants something. Unless, you know, by the way, get the fucking dick.
Yep.
But
It could be.
monthly, previous monthly low sweep. Previous month was almost inside.
Boom. All these look the same once again. It's like we had that
Yep.
kind of scammy spill candle yesterday, but it kind of is like a trend line retest.
And because
can-
we held a lot of these daily fair value gaps.
Yep. We can hold from here and go. We can continue from here if they want.
As long as price keeps on holding those previous day lows, or it keeps on holding above those previous day lows, that's when it's really big time CISD retest, and it's getting ready to pop that 200 above the quarterly previous monthly low swept too. BMT or big time. Look at this triangle they're building out.
It's back when I used to watch that fucking Romeo fucking dickhead. He always said though, like if it's bullish, like those previous day low sweeps, like they should continue. Like it's turtle soup.
Yeah.
If you're getting a sweep and a nice CISD and an FVG formed after, it should continue from there.
ARC
if it's
doesn't
bullish.
look bad. AR, Mavia. I think it's looking. Mavia looks good. Just for something silly, goofy.
Like you said, we don't know the outcome of like the weekly candles. Obviously, can't predict the future. It's, even though sometimes it seems like it. But if there's the previous day low sweep and there's like an hour CISD with an FVG, you gotta shoot your shot.
Yeah.
That's all there really is to it.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta take your appropriate risks. And such is life.
Yep.
Such is life. If you see an opportunity, fucking take it. No matter the outcome, it's the weight of regret of not taking it is gonna outweigh the.
Yep, regrets suck.
Yeah. It's like, because then you end up chasing it. Like, say you didn't take the fucking play, then you end up chasing, right? And then you end up getting fucking clapped.
Yep.
Then you're even more fucking sad. CFX, I like that. You mentioned this one, right?
Yep, I like Ape.
Yep.
Ape looks fucking fire.
Yeah. Yep. I was looking at this one too. Ape looks good with it. 200 retest of these highs. The bodies are holding above it. Previous day low sweep. I like that one.
Yeah. And like oversizing and getting stopped out because you don't have an appropriate stop is regret too. So don't do that either.
Yep.
Yeah, let's see if these like Ape. This could get this 30-minute CISD right here, and then we can just go. This one looks at least a previous day equal. I just like this consolidation around the previous day low, the sweep into the 200 and the immediate reclaim.
Beam. I think I was talking about this one the other day. Beam still looks like it wants to go on a bean and smack all of this shit because it was same thing, right? Trend line retest right there. Res. Kernel. Yeah, hype still looks good. SPX. What are you, Siren? ACT. ACT could give us something above that 200 and held this fair value gap with a hold weekly. It's decent monthly. Ooh. ACT could be good.
ACT?
Uh-huh. Act. Actually, I'm not a big fan of volume on there.
I think I like Bohm like a lot.
Yeah, Bohm looked
The
fucking
structure
phenomenal.
looks really good. This 4 hours about to go outside already.
ARPA? The fuck is ARPA? ARPA.
And you know what? A lot of that pump gains might flow out into the market too.
Mm-hmm. God, dude, fucking
Because people made
hold the
money on that.
fucking bottom of that bitch
Yup.
to a fucking T.
Usually do.
Yeah, typically how it goes. Kaido looks like it might want to go. It's another continuation here with that retest right there. Still above the 200. I believe we're also cranking into that. Yeah, we're above the confluence meter. So I'm liking Kaido too.
What I noticed about that one, it doesn't print very hard.
Really?
I don't know. Like the gains just don't seem as good
I
on
think
it
I
as the
printed
others.
pretty fucking good on it.
Ooh, GRT.
I think I fucking printed pretty decent on that one. Gun was
GRT.
fucking good. Mm-hmm.
That displacement, like
Yeah,
buyers are
CSD
there.
above the
Just
200.
tapped into that FVG. I like this.
Yeah. GRT grit. Yeah, GRT had good volume on that candle.
I like this. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like displacement,
Mhm.
well, like you said, we'll talk about it. But displacement
Yeah.
is like, if there's no displacement, it's just noise. The buyers are present if there's displacement. It's gapping like that for a reason.
Yeah.
It's leaving that imbalance for a reason. But it's not just every FVG. It's not every order block. It's
Mm-hmm.
the logic behind it.
H bar. Your least favorite? H bar. Hyper looks good too. Previous day low sweep. This one prints fucking retardedly hard. And also fucking stops you out retardedly hard.
Oh.
Just a heads up for everybody. And there was one night we were both looking at it and we were like, yeah, this looks good. And both of us got fucking cocked hard. I want to fucking sneeze.
Yeah, I'm in GRT. I like this one a lot.
I like Hyper too. Hyper doesn't look bad. Hyper, Bite Viper.
In Ave 2, I don't exactly trust it 100%. But we'll see. Bangers, dogs.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, really. One above 200. If you guys are new here, make sure you check us out on Twitter, on Discord too. Inside Discord, we're posting a lot of like in-depth analysis on these. On here, we're just kind of like looking at them like, yeah, these look good. But inside our Discord, we're looking a whole write-up of why we would want to see and what we would want to see on these stocks. So make sure you check out www.papertraders.io. That's the website to go to. See what we're all about. You can also check out our Twitter. That's at the Paper Traders. Where we post updates in terms of what tools are coming to our Discord, any updates, anything like that. So make sure you're checking those out. Also on that website, you can go scroll down, press that big red button that says View Past Streams, and you can check our track records. See how we've done in the past. See what bottoms we've called. Things of that nature. So,
MNT. It's about to fucking go.
dude, MNT.
Absolutely ape shit again.
I'm done with MNT.
Just look at it one time.
Yeah. Don't look at Wix.
Just look at it.
Don't look at Wix.
Just look at it.
Just look at it. I can't. I can't. Physically can't.
Right off that previous day equal.
I hate it here.
Wait, is this sweet? No. SEI. SEI looks really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like they can dig really deep into these OTEs if they want.
Mm-hmm.
But a lot of the, like Algo, look at Algo.
Let's see, sorry, MNT. Yeah, MNT looks like it still wants to go. I'll go.
It's like, this looks good.
Yeah.
That previous day low. So we just need to reclaim the 200.
Yeah, and the sweep of this too. I like that. I'll go.
Ooh, goat. Goat.
Goat. Oh, yeah. I like the displacement on this one. This one looks fucking good.
Oh,
Goat. Bah. And decreasing volume with decreasing price. A little divergence there. I like this one.
Goat?
Yeah.
We like goat.
Scrote.
I like goat.
Buff to
This one-
200.
This one's been
Weekly.
great.
Yeah, weekly looks fucking good.
The like even lower time frames, like the 15-minute looks really fucking good.
Yeah, I like these. The sweep, immediate reaction out of it. Strong reaction out of it too.
Look at the daily chart too.
Yeah,
like
daily-
zoom out
Daily looks fucking good.
because it came back to OTE, swept out liquidity. Like the structure on this one is just fucking
Mhm.
beautiful.
Yeah, this one's like fucking size appropriately on this bitch.
I like goat.
I like goat too. Goat is good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna post the rest of my charts inside though.
Yeah. Me
That's enough sauce for the peeps.
crank through the rest of these names just to see what we got on our OM.
Goat could go absolutely insane.
Yeah, goat looks good. Sheep banana look good. Kaz still. Cas with that. I like that. Gas. And oh, I like this one.
I want to go back to those like weekly fucking highs, honestly.
I like gas. That chart,
like
that
ass?
right up Cass. I love ass
Oh.
too. Eating, smacking, whatever you fucking name it.
Stop.
If you like boobs, you're a fucking little goo goo gaga boy. Stuck in this primal fucking primate days. Fucking goo goo gaga, give me booba. Real guys like ass. If you're an ass guy, share this stream. Or an ass girl, whichever one.
Then he's gonna close it out with talking about your mom is just wild.
JTO doesn't look bad. Oh man. Epic.
XLM still, I love it. It didn't get a previous day low sweep, but the daily structure and the hold above the 200 just looks so good.
Pendle looks like it wants a rising 3.
And going back to how I started off when we switched to crypto, like ETH didn't sweep previous day low. A lot of these alts did and Bitcoin did. Like there's just some weird divergence there and I kind of like it.
Mm-hmm.
Stark looks good, STRK.
Stark. Cass ass. What's the difference? Oh my goodness, this
Grass
is
looks good too.
Spec, dude. I fucking Spec looks like it's just gonna give a fucking absolute shtickaroonie, and nobody's gonna get in because it's fucking.
Yep.
Can you even trade on a fucking Coinbase?
Ooh, look at COTI. That was a scam ass dump yesterday. It seemed like this one looks fucking good.
Spec. Oh yes, you can buy spot on Spec. Oh wait, nope. So okay, whatever. Which one was it?
Cody, COTI.
Cody. Oh yeah.
This just looks like it wants an outside day.
Mhm.
Yesterday was inside, which is even in my opinion better setup for an outside
Yeah.
day.
Oh yeah,
If
there was
that
like
previous day stayed inside. We sweep the low right off
Mhm.
the bat. Like this can blow the top off that.
it's pretty much no like very significant less volume than all the other days. on this sell day. Like the volume
Yeah,
on
it's
this
a
one versus this
scam.
one is a manipulation.
Scam dump.
Mm-hmm.
Felt like it.
And where were we? Aster, Bidge, Rare Barrel, RC. What the fuck was I? What was it? Syrup. So we're syrup, dogs. Dogs doesn't look bad. Dogs also has that consolidation, but also retest of that previous day low. So you might want to continue to the upside as well. Dogs, not to be confused with dog. The OG versus DOGS. Dude, yeah, TAI. Tai. That one looks good. That one looks fucking phenomenal to me. And yeah, I am in this one. Yeah, Tai looks good. Ooh, this one I like.
That looks good. Yep.
The
FIDA.
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 It's a FIDA. Yeah, 200. It's like, dude, everything across the board is the same fucking setup. The same. Like for the most part. For the most part, I won't say
Some didn't
it's the
sweep
same.
previous day low.
Yeah, some didn't sweep, but a lot of them, like that previous day. Look at this fucking OTE bounce to a fucking T, dude. 786 hold on that bitch.
Yeah,
Fucking
like,
beauty.
I like FIDA. I like STX. Yeah, just take your pick off these previous day low sweeps.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the logic makes sense.
Yeah.
Still like virtual. TRV looks good. Yeah, we'll see.
Aleo looks like I might want to
We'll
get
see.
another one. CHC. Tut. Keep on looking at Tut. Give me that look back. It's like, it is. I'm not gonna say anything. Barra. Barra previous day low sweeps looking decent. Rare pull. Okay. We're probably going to keep on scanning some of these, just get through this whole thing. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. As always, the best way to support us is just by sharing the streams. If you do want to show more support, then obviously join the Discord. But, you know, sharing the stream and giving us a like and a share is more than enough. So make sure you tell your friends about us. Keep on tuning in. We're here every day for you guys. Well, mostly every day. We start taking some time off and enjoying time outside and time with family. So make sure you're doing the same as well, as the markets tend to get us pretty lonely. Yeah, check us out. As we mentioned before, www.papertrace.io. That's the website to go to. Check us out and see what we're all about and see what Edge Engine is about. We'll give you guys some more news on that. Stay tuned for our little educational segments. As you saw today, we gave you just a little way that we trade and look at candles. Tomorrow we'll dive a little deeper. I want to talk about that little previous day or those previous closes, previous opens, and how that plays into effect, even like on a 5-minute time frame or on a daily time frame. It's even better, right? But it all applies. You just have to. It's all price action. Other than that, make sure you check out at Hayes Beats as well. 3,000 followers. We're going to do a lifetime giveaway for a Paper Traders membership. So make sure you go give them a like, give them a share, give it a nice little follow. Make sure you, obviously share the stream. 500 viewers by the end of this month, and we're going to do a giveaway for some merchandise, Paper Traders exclusive merchandise. This is not released to anyone yet, so you'll get a 1 of 1, 2 of 2, whatever you might get, but it'll be just yours. Nobody has it yet. Future, it'll come. It'll come. Ooh, maybe Edge Engine fucking shirts. That'd be fucking sick. That logo. Yep. Does look fucking sweet. When I get to 4,000 followers, I'm gonna stop talking about your guys' moms. That's a big one. It's gonna be a big celebration. Flamingo Goes. I'll wear my Flamingo fucking shorts tomorrow for the stream. 3,000 followers. I'll call my job and I'll say, "This is Donald Trump, and Eddie no longer works for you. He works for me." And I'm gonna put in my 2 weeks using that voice. And they're gonna call in the *67 number too, so they think it is Donald Trump. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Tell your mom. Tell your dad. Tell your brothers. Your dog. I'm not gonna get your sisters in here. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you for tuning in. Stay tuned for tomorrow's stream. We're gonna do one more of the midday stream. You'll be able to check it out if you can tune in during the midday. But we'll go over some stocks tomorrow and see what we can take going into the week and what looks good. On that, thank you guys. Have a good night.
Bye bye.
Peace out.